So good. It's good, Jor? Nice and soft?
Mm.
I'm showing the audience your lashes.
No.
And Fernie, it's good? Vanilla ice cream?
Ben!
Sige na. Okay. Shy type.
Naalala mo yung first video.
Ever since naman ganyan eh. Shy type eh.
Isa.
Yung first date natin, shy type.
Guys, have a good one.
Ngayon, may anak na. Shy type. Shy type. Good ice cream. Shy type. Ganyan na ganyan. Shy type. Ooh, I'm for my love. Favorite. Oh, oh, oh. With sound? May muta pa.
Namiiling pa siya sa'yo eh. Beb naman!
Hindi ka nagko-cover shy type?
Basic na to. What does shy time mean?
Shy type. Mommy's the shy type. Demure. Very Latina. Ano pa yung isang narinig ko sa Philippines, yung ano? Yung isa pa. Yung kanina sinabi ko sa'yo, yung Latina tsaka yung isa pa.
I don't know.
May sound pa talaga eh. Sweet lover.
Beb, tama na yan, please lang.
Ba Jordan? Come on.
Nagpa-off ka ba? Sa spring break? Hindi.
Sabi mo hindi.
Kami na lang.
Sa umaga, umalis kayo sa umaga. He likes that.
Parang overnight kami.
Okay. Sabihin mo agad para pade-day off ko.
Sige na, sige na.
Okay. Say bye, Joy. Bye. Oh, you want me to keep going?
No.
Okay, say bye. You have to say bye. Mommy, you have earwax. Mommy, you have earwax. You have earwax. Ay. No. Sobrang tawa na. Napapaiyak ako. Are you guys ready?
Oh.
Okay, wipe your hands. Beb, mamaya. Mommy, you have earwax. Like, sometimes you think, sometimes you think I'm just being sweet to mommy, but she has food stuck in her teeth, so I kiss her. Mommy! That, I take it out. That's what Mary does. See, like, that's why when you see me kiss mommy, I take out the food in her teeth.
How do you do that?
So I don't get her embarrassed. You don't say it out loud, okay?
Parang ikaw ba?
Okay?
Ugali niya, ugali mo eh. Sa lahat makakaalam.
That is the recording you.